Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. In the Hamptons. I'm in Noyak, actually, and I'm doing existing condition drawings to this house. I'll briefly pop in. So for this project, I am only doing the floor plan and the electrical plan. This is kind of main room, kitchen. This is master suite back here. Bedroom, there's a bath in there. And this is great room, and then there's an upstairs. So just showing you around briefly, guest bedroom here. And if you're ever in need of existing addition drawings, whether it's in the Hamptons or in the city, or upstate, please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.